The all-new Pringle charger. It's DIY again. It's pretty much the same thing as the original Pringle charger. But you know, same stuff. You need a sharp object. I'll just show sharp object. You need sharp object, and then you need you know, your whatever you're using here to power up, to charge. I don't know. So it's the same. Like I said, it's just the same thing, except you need an original Pringle can. And well, all you have to do, it's kind of the same thing. Okay, it's kind of the same thing. I use this big one as an example. I use the back of this as an example. You just have to, first you gotta see how big this is, what the separation between these two, how big the separation between the two prongs are, and then you have to measure them somehow. Oh crap. Just put one here. What I usually do is I put one there, and then I put this here, and then I estimate or just guess how far apart they would be, and then you just do the same thing. Just stab it, and the two spots you want to stab it, and then it fits in there perfectly, just like that. I hope that I recorded properly. I think it did. Yeah, it should have. And then, you know, you can do the same. You just, you know, go down. Just go down the can, making tons of lines. Also, there's also an optional, if you want to, you can put a hole here. I didn't do that very well, but you can put a hole there. So for the ones that have 3 prongs, like here, here, and here, I don't really have any as an example right now, but if you have that, you can use that, and that'll work. And then, you know, go down. You just, you know, do that, and then this goes in, just like that. It's pretty simple, if you ask me. And you can just put this here, and then you can charge. There you go. Oh, my stand just dropped. So yeah, there you go. That's it.